Now we discuss chemical properties of haloarenes. Haloarenes, namely chlorobenzene, when reacts with sodium hydroxide, then replacement of chlorine is done by OH group and formation of phenol takes place. Very first reaction with sodium hydroxide or replacement by OH group. Halogen atom is replaced by OH group and formation of phenol takes place. When haloalkane reacts with sodium hydroxide, then formation of phenol takes place. Number 2, reaction with sodium alkoxide, RONA. Haloarenes, namely chlorobenzene, when reacts with RONA, sodium alkoxide, then formation of anisole takes place. Third one, reaction with CuCN. Reaction with CuCN, copper cyanide, or replacement by CN group. Chlorobenzene reacts with CuCN and formation of aryl cyanide takes place. Very first reaction with sodium hydroxide, haloarene, namely chlorobenzene, reacts with sodium hydroxide and forms phenol. Reaction with RONA, sodium alkoxide. Haloarene reacts with sodium alkoxide and forms anisole, ether, aromatic aliphatic ether. Next, reaction with CuCN, chlorobenzene reacts with CuCN and forms phenyl cyanide. Next, replacement by amino group or reaction with NH3 in presence of catalyst Cu2O. Chlorobenzene reacts with ammonia in presence of Cu2O. Here we write two molecules of ammonia like this, HNH2, HNH2. 2 times chlorobenzene, H2O, Cu2Cl2 and 2 molecules of aniline. Two molecules of aniline plus Cu2Cl2. Number 1, reaction with NaOH. Number 2, reaction with sodium alkoxide. Number 3, reaction with CuCN. Number 4, reaction with ammonia in presence of catalyst Cu2O. Next, reduction. Chlorobenzene on reduction gives benzene. क्लोरोबेंजीन के अपचयन पर हमें बेंजीन प्राप्त होता है. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Next, we discuss electrophilic substitution reactions. Here we discuss electrophilic substitution reactions. As name indicates, electrophilic substitution reactions. जिनको इलेक्ट्रॉन से प्यार है वो वहां पर आते हैं और सब्स्टिट्यूशन करके चले जाते हैं. देखते हैं हमारे पास में electrophilic substitution reactions. Here Cl group is ortho and para directing. जिस प्रकार से किसी पिक्चर में यह फिक्स होता है कि कौन सा हीरो मरेगा, कौन सा विलेन मरेगा या कौन सी हीरोइन मरेगी, फिक्स होता है. इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द डायरेक्टर, किसको पिक्चर में खत्म करना है, किसको जीवित रखना है. सिमिलरली द इनकमिंग ग्रुप इज इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय present functional group. There are two types of group. Number one, ortho and para-directing group, and number two, meta-directing group. The nature of halogen is ortho and para-directing group. The nature of halogen is ortho and para-directing group. In these electrolytic substitution reactions, at first we studied halogenation. Number one, halogenation. Halogenation means reaction with halogen. It involves chlorination, bromination, iodination, fluorination. Here we discuss chlorination. Chlorobenzene on chlorination, chlorine molecule is equal to. Here the density of electron at ortho and para position is very high. H from here and Cl from here, HCl comes out and this Cl goes here. Formation of ortho dichlorobenzene takes place. 1,2-dichlorobenzene takes place. If the halogen atom goes here, then we obtain para-dichlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene on chlorination gives a mixture of ortho and para-dichlorobenzene. Number two, sulfonation. Sulfonation means reaction with concentrated sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid ionizes and gives OH negative and SO3H positive. This is an electron deficient species. This has attraction towards electron. This group migrates where the density of electron is high. Chlorine atom increases the density of electron at ortho and para position. Chlorobenzene plus sulfuric acid concentrate. This gives a mixture of orthochlorobenzene sulfonic acid and parachlorobenzene sulfonic acid. This gives the mixture of orthochlorobenzene sulfonic acid and parachlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Third, nitration. The process of nitration is carried out by nitrating mixture. The mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid is known as nitrating mixture. The mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid is known as nitrating mixture. When chlorobenzene reacts with nitric acid concentrate in presence of concentrated H2SO4, then nitric acid is dissociated like this. This has great tendency towards electron. This NO2 goes here, H from here and OH from here, formation of water molecules. If it migrates towards para position, then formation of para nitrochlorobenzene takes place. This is known as nitration. So we studied halogenation, sulfonation, nitration. Next, Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction. Chlorobenzene reacts with haloalkane, methyl chloride, in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Then H from here and Cl from here, HCl. This CH3 goes here. Orthochlorotoluene, or we obtain mixture of orthochlorotoluene and parachlorotoluene takes place. This is known as Friedel-Crafts alkylation because entry of alkyl group is done. Here we use catalyst anhydrous AlCl3. This is the simply directly indication of Friedel-Crafts reaction. This is known as Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Now we discuss Friedel-Crafts acetylation. Reaction with acetyl chloride CH3COCl is known as acetylation. Reaction with acetyl chloride CH3COCl is known as acetylation. When chlorobenzene reacts with CH3COCl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, then formation of orthochloroacetophenone and parachloroacetophenone takes place. Now we discuss reaction of haloarenes with metals. Woods reaction. Chlorobenzene, two molecules of chlorobenzene reacts with sodium metal and forms diphenyl. This reaction is known as Woods reaction. Two molecules of chlorobenzene reacts with sodium metal and forms a diphenyl. This reaction is known as Woods reaction. Now we discuss Woods fatigue reaction. One molecule of chlorobenzene means haloarene and one molecule of haloalkane reacts with sodium metal and forms toluene alkyl benzene. This reaction is known as Wood's fatigue reaction. Next, reaction with magnesium metal, damn easy method. RX means C6H5Br plus Mg is equal to C6H5MgBr. Formation of phenyl magnesium bromide means Grignard reagent takes place. This is known as reaction with magnesium metal. Last one, reaction with copper metal. Here, this reaction is called Ullmann reaction. The name is just similar to Salman, but it is Ullmann. Two molecules of chlorobenzene when reacts with copper metal, then formation of diphenyl takes place. This reaction is known as Ullmann reaction. It is all about preparation, properties and uses of haloarenes. Tomorrow we will discuss new chapter, alcohol, phenol and ethers.